I mean hashtag audreyyung.
See that you turned it off already?
I already turned it back on.
Okay.
And this one you gotta twist. And open the banana. Ow! What is with this little fat banana? Let's open the banana. Banana, yes, bananas are the best. Banana, yes, banana, but not like the rest. Banana, yes, bananas are the best. You gotta feel. I think I got the octopus again. Yep, but another color. Nope, it's the same. Bananas are the best. But not like the rest. Bananas are the best. Bananas, but not like the rest. Goats like bananas. Healthies like bananas. Hate bananas, but that's okay, don't matter. Bananas are the best. Bananas, but not like the rest. Monkeys like bananas. Humans like bananas. Fish hate bananas, but that's okay, don't matter. Does fish like bananas?
I don't think so.
Yay, I was singing it right. Bananas are the best. Bananas, but not like the rest. Fish, monkeys like bananas. Humans like the banana. Humans like bananas. Fish hate bananas, but that's okay, don't matter. Bananas are the best. Bananas, but not the rest. Don't like bananas. Bananas are the best. These things are cool too. And I'm a little bit kooky. Maybe I'll stick one on the camera, can I?
Yes.
Okay, I'll stick the big heart. Maybe I'll make myself earrings. No, I don't like this big heart. I'm going to put the heart sticker on the camera and put these two little hearts on my ears like I have ear piercings. But I actually did not pierce my ears, so don't be scared. There's no blood. Just kidding. If you're piercing your ears, you never get blood. Like what I hear, they never get blood. One, two, book my shoe. 3, 4, knock at the door. 5, 6, pick up 6, 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hand. buckle my shoe. 3, 4, knock at the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Again. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, knock at the door. 6, pick up 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. 11, 12, a big fat hen. 13, 14, a bananas in my hair. Ramen noodles. Why are you sleeping?
Yes.
Why are you sleeping?
I can answer you. That's when I'm not asleep.
Yes, you are sleeping. I forgot this one.